Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, April 13th, 2021. It is Try It Tuesday, so here are some things to try today. Maybe you could play with someone new, or you could hold the door for someone. That would be spreading some kindness and being nice to others on this Tuesday. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's birthdays are Eric Johnson and Olivia Lewis. Happy birthday. We have a little bit of announcement today. Our 3rd and 4th grader learners will be testing this morning, working on the ACAP. Please remember to be quiet near the computer lab and the collab lab. I know some of our classes have been taking the route outside to enjoy the beautiful sunshine as they go to PE and to avoid this area, which is a fantastic idea. Late duty this week. Today we have Miss Shaver. Tomorrow will be Miss Beatty. Coming up at the end of the week will be Bertolino and Bauer. Important dates. We are still in the middle of the ACAP testing window, but we are rapidly approaching wrapping that up. That's exciting news. This Friday, we will have spring pictures. It is 1st through 5th is Dress to Impress, and pre-K and kindergarten will have cap and gown pictures. Friday is also National Librarians Day, so we will have an opportunity to celebrate our favorite librarian, Miss Smith. April 30th is the ACAP summative testing ending date. May 3rd through the 27th will be the iReady 3rd diagnostic. May 5th through the 9th is Teacher Appreciation Week. May 5th we have Candace Tracy here doing some AmSty stuff, and May 6th is Nurse Appreciation Day. Our ACAP pet partners are still cheering on our 3rd and 4th graders as they test this week, and 5th grade will be testing next week. Our word of the day is multiple. A multiple is the product of a whole number and any other whole number. So multiples of 3 would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay, so when you are skip counting by a number, then you are doing the multiples of that number most of the time. So multiple. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.